Hi students, I am Shinde Savita, SNJB Neminath College. In last lecture, we studied the types of crystalline solid. First, ionic solid, then remaining types of crystalline solids. That is, second type is covalent solid, third is molecular solid, and fourth is metallic solid. From which, in last lecture, we studied the ionic solid. In this lecture, we see the covalent solid. Covalent solid means the solid is bonded with covalent bond. That is, the constituent particles are molecule and they are compactly packed to the covalent bond. The covalent solid has high strength, then high melting point. Also, covalent solid has poor conductivity, poor electrical conductivity. Example of covalent solids are carbon. Carbon means graphite, then diamond and fullerene. Then the covalent solid has property high melting point and high boiling point. Then example of the solid carbon containing diamond, graphite and fullerene. Next point is molecular solid. Molecular solid means the solid having constituent particles are molecule. Molecular solid has three types. Three types of molecular solids, that is, first is polar, second non-polar, and third is hydrogen bonded solid. Polar solid means having dipole moment is greater than 0, that is, the positively charged and negatively charged constituent particles present. Non-polar means the dipole moment mu value is 0, and hydrogen bonded molecular solid means the solid has tendency to form a hydrogen bond. The polar solid having property weak dipole interaction. Polar having characteristic weak intermolecular interaction, that is weak dipole interaction. Weak dipole interaction. For example, SO2 HCl having weak intermolecular interaction, and in non-polar molecules or non-polar solid having property very weak dispersion forces. In non-polar solid there is very weak intermolecular forces as compared to the polar. Therefore, polar having high melting point than the non-polar, and also electrical conductivity, poor electrical conductor of the property of the molecular solid. Hydrogen bonded means NH3 solidified NH3 HF are the hydrogen bonded solids or hydrogen bonded molecular solid. Hydrogen bonded molecular solid also having low melting point, poor electrical conductor. The example of non-polar is Cl2, H2 and Br2, etc. These are the non-polar solid. Then next type of the crystalline solid is metallic solid. Metallic solid, the meaning is in the word. means metals, all metals. All metals are the metallic solid, and metallic solid contains array of the positively charged constituent particles. That is, metallic solid having structure positively charged particles arranged in the series. Because of all metals having excess of free electrons, when they loses its electron, acquires positive charge. Therefore, is like array of positive charge. That is C of positive charges. Therefore, metal has high melting point as compared to other. And next property of metallic solid is the good conductor of electricity and thermal conductivity. Because of number of free electrons are excess in the metallic solid. Example of the metallic solids are all metals. All metals. These are the four types of the crystalline solid. Ionic solid means containing ions. Covalent solid means solid contains molecule which are bonded by covalent bond. Then third is molecular solid. Molecular solid contains molecule which are bonded with weak intermolecular forces. Then metallic solid contains metals. These are the four types of crystalline solid. Then next point of this chapter is crystal structure. That is the structure of solid. Crystal structure means ordered three-dimensional structure of the particle. Every solid contains particles and particle arrangement is regular. That is, the order is regular manner in three-dimensional. In three-dimensional means in x, y and z axis. That is above, below, front and back. This type of arrangement of crystal structure shows every solid. Then also another concept is lattice. In solid structure, another concept is lattice. Lattice means like crystal, it has geometrical arrangement of the points in the three-dimensional. The points containing solid with definite geometrical shape. That is, the points of the solid is arranged in definite geometrical shape called as lattice. That is cubic, hexagonal. These shapes contains lattice structure. That is, here diagram contains first lattice. Lattice in the form of cube. Then in lattice structure, the particles are placed and to form a crystal. That is, lattice means fixed geometrical shape and basis means particle placed over the lattice and to produce the crystal means the solid. And solid crystal has definite type of geometrical shape. That is, here we study the crystal structure and lattice. These are related to the solid. Then another concept, this crystal is first, lattice second, and another is unit cell. Unit cell means very tiny particle present in the crystal. That is, crystal is made by very tiny particles. That is, smallest particle of a crystal is called as unit cell. That is the structure of unit cell. Here the cube-like structure, 3D structure contains three angles. That is alpha, beta and gamma. Sides also A, B, C. This side is A, B and C. The angle between B and C is alpha. Then A and B beta, and A and C beta, A and B is gamma. These angles in different unit cells. The unit cell, again I repeat, unit cell is the tiny particle, smallest particle repeating in the structure, crystal structure. That is, this crystal structure contains unit cells. Number of unit cells. That is, crystal is made by many unit cells arranged in perfectly manner. This tiny particle is called as unit cell. Then next point, types of unit cell. Types of unit cell having four basic main types. There are four types. First is simple also called as primitive unit cell called as SCC. Simple cubic unit cell means SCC. Having cube-like structure, that is unit cell, cube-like structure. Cube has 8 corners. 8 corners having 8 sphere, 8 particle. This structure is of simple or primitive cubic cell. Second type of unit cell is body-centered unit cell. Body-centered unit cell means BCC. BCC is same as a SCC, only different point is at the center, at the body there is one sphere, means 8 corner having 8 sphere and one sphere at the body, center. Then third point is face centered cubic cell, means FCC. Face centered cubic cell means FCC. FCC means the cube structure contains 8 particles at the 8 corner of cube, and cube has 6 faces, back, front, above, below, and 2 sides. Therefore, each face contains one sphere. Above one face contains one sphere, this sphere contains this sphere. 6 faces contains one sphere. This diagram for FCC, face centered cubic cell. These are the again fourth type, base centered. Base centered means at the base, top and bottom. Means the cube contains 8 particles at 8 corner and one sphere at the top base and one at the bottom base. This structure is of base centered cubic cell. These are the 4 types of unit cell, and 4 types of unit cell contribute the structure of crystals. Then next point is crystal system. Crystal system means the crystal having 14 types of unit cell, from which 7 types are main and 7 types are subtypes, from which crystal structure has 14 types. 14 types also called as Bravais lattices. Bravais lattices. This point is important for the exam. That is 7 types of crystal structure, main 7 types. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. First is cubic, ortho, rhombic, then tetragonal, then monoclinic, rhombohedral, then triclinic, and last one is the hexagonal. Hexagonal. All solids are made by the unit cells of 7 types. These 7 types again divide into their respective types: cubic, orthorhombic, tetragonal, monoclinic, rhombohedral, triclinic. These 6 are cube. And last is hexagon, means hexagonal. These are the 7 type of Bravais lattices. Again, we study the next subtypes of these 7 types. Cubic unit cell. Cubic unit cell has 3 types. 3 types means simple, means SCC, BCC, FCC. First type is simple cubic unit cell, means SCC. Then second, body centered unit cell, means BCC. Then third is face centered unit cell, means FCC. Already we learned these 3 types. Simple cubic unit cell means 8 particle at the 8 corner, means 8 particle at the 8 corner, means simple. Body center unit cell means 8 particle at center, at 8 corner and 1 at the center. Again face center unit cell, 8 particle at the corner and each faces, means 6 faces contains 6 particle. Then types of orthorhombic unit cell. Orthorhombic unit cell having 4 types, and already we learned these 4 types. First is simple cubic cell, body centered cubic cell, and fourth simple, body centered, face centered, and fourth is base centered unit cell. Base centered unit cell means the cube contains 8 particles at the 8th corner and one sphere at the top and another one sphere at the bottom. That is base centered unit cell. Again, next point is tetragonal. Tetragonal unit cell having 2 types. In cubic unit cell there are 3 types. These are 3 types. Again, second is orthorhombic, contains 4 types, and in tetragonal contains 2 types. 2 types means first is simple cubic cell or primitive, and second is base centered unit cell. Next is monoclinic. Monoclinic also having 2 types. Sorry, tetragonal contains simple cubic cell, and second is body centered cell. Body centered unit cell means BCC. And next type is monoclinic. Monoclinic having 2 types. Which are 2 types? First is simple cubic unit cell, and second is different than the tetragonal. That is here in tetragonal the body centered is replaced by base centered unit cell. Then last 3 types, that is rhombohedral, triclinic and hexagonal, are having only 1 type, that is simple. That is rhombohedral, means this solid is simple rhombohedral, simple triclinic and simple hexagonal, means having only 1 type, simple and simple, means primitive. These are the all 14 types of Bravais lattices having same structures but different angles and side lengths of this cube. Angles are different in every type, also side lengths different than each other. And last one is hexagonal. Hexagonal having hexagon structure means the hexagons are this is the structure of hexagonal unit cell, means hexagonal simple hexagonal unit cell. These are the 14 types of Bravais lattices. Then how many number of particles present in the SCC, BCC and FCC unit cell can be calculated by the method. For example, the number of particles present in first is simple unit cell, that is SCC. Second, body centered unit cell, that is BCC. And third is face centered unit cell, means FCC. First, we find the number of particles in the simple unit cell. Simple unit cell contains unit cell having 8 particles at the 8 corner, means 1 upon 8 particle occupies 8 sphere, means one position occupies 1/8 particle, means at one corner 1/8 particle are present, means 8 corner occupies 1/8 particle, means one corner contains 1/8 out of 8. Therefore, the number of particles in simple cubic unit cell, 8 get cancelled and remaining is 1. Means in simple unit cell only one particle or molecule is present. Again in body centered unit cell, the same structure of body centered and simple unit cell, only different. At the center there is one sphere, means here the number of molecules or particles can be calculated by one particle occupies 1/8 position. 8 corner means into 8. One position occupies 1/8, means 8 particle. Therefore, multiplied by 8. 1 upon 8 into 8. Again, one sphere at the body, throughout the faces, throughout the structure, means plus 1. Therefore, is equal to 1, 8 get cancelled, and 1 plus 1, 2. Means 2 particles present in the body centered unit cell. These particles are important for to solve the numericals. That is, in simple SCC contains one molecule or one particle, BCC contains 2, and FCC contains 8 particles at 8 corner, means number of particles is equal to 1/8 plus each face having one particle. There are 6 faces of the cube and 6 faces occupy 6 particles. But at the one face there is half position is acquired. Half position is acquired of the cube. Therefore, half position into particles faces 6 means 6 faces of cube. One face is occupies half position, that is 1/2 into 6 is equal to 8. Get cancelled. 2 2 3 means 1 into 1 plus 1. 3 into 1 means 3 is equal to 1 plus 3 is equal to 4. Means 4 particles present at the face centered unit cell. Means in SCC there is 1 particle, in BCC 2 particles, and in FCC there are 4 particles present.